Did you know you can actually make money online? Yeah, that's right, and all you need is a computer or phone with internet access. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways where you can actually start making some side cash, or if you are really serious, some good money. Isn't that amazing? On some of these websites you can actually make as much as $150 a day or even more, and the best part is, you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can make this money with working in your free time on the internet. There are 2 distinct ways of making money. The first way is active income. With active income, it's like your normal 9-to-5 job. You only get paid for the work you do. If you do not work, you don't make money, as simple as that. The second way is through passive income. This is my favorite method because with active income all you do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep rolling in without you having to do any more work. So let's get to the video. So the number 1 is YouTube. Not a lot of people know about this, but you can actually make money with YouTube. If you are considering getting into YouTube to make money, make sure you understand one thing clearly. Thanks to the new rules of YouTube Partnership Program, if you are planning on starting a brand new channel from scratch, you first have to reach the YouTube minimum threshold to get monetized, which is you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Once you have reached that, you can get monetized. How much you can make on YouTube? Honestly, as much as you want. As long as you keep uploading good content that people are willing to watch, you're golden, and the longer the video the more money you can expect to make. You can make anywhere from $1 to thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more views you are getting, the more money you can expect to make, and also you get more subscribers. With YouTube, what you are earning is passive income. Make a few videos and they should keep making you money consistently. You can also make money with YouTube through paid sponsorships, but with paid sponsorships, you will need a large audience, usually a minimum of 10,000 subs to do that. You can also make money through affiliates, but we will get to that later. And coming to number 2, which is Fiverr. You have probably heard of Fiverr mentioned a lot of times because it's a simple and easy site to start making money. But if you haven't, basically, it's a freelance website where you can literally outsource anything, and I mean anything, as long as it's legal, for as little as $5. There are so many different ways to make money on Fiverr, just to name a few. You can do animations, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandising, SEO and so much more. If there is anything that can be outsourced, you can most likely find it on Fiverr. Head over and check out Fiverr. At a legend of making money. And coming up to number 3, which is drop shipping. With drop shipping, what you are basically doing is selling someone else's stuff for a small or large profit without having to deal with the shipping. So basically you are acting like a broker or a middleman. You can do this by opening up a Shopify store and then linking it up with Oberlo. Oberlo is basically an app that integrates with Shopify, and it is what a lot of people use to source for stuff that they would like to sell on their stores. The basic principle of drop shipping is you create a store or any channel where people can buy stuff from you. Then once they buy something from you, you pay the manufacturer, usually for a lot less than what you got it for, and then have the manufacturer ship it to the customer. All without you ever seeing or touching the product. The best part of drop shipping is that you set your own price of the product you want to sell, then take the profits and pay the manufacturer the rest. So yeah, that's drop shipping in a nutshell. If you are interested in drop shipping, there are a ton of tutorial here on YouTube that will show you the step-by-step guide of creating your store, finding products, advertising, finding influencers, and finally shipping and getting paid. It's a bit complicated to start, especially in the beginning. But you can make a ton of money with drop shipping. Which way you like more to make money online? Leave a comment down below in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you think this video helps you out, leave a thumbs up. If haven't already, subscribe and push the bell icon button for stay tuned. Peace out.